So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng new Saya All 50 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile device, punta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And then dito guys, dial lang natin is asterisk 123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And dito naman guys, piliin nyo lang yung number 3, which is yung sale, saya, all. So type na natin guys yung number 3, and then send. And then guys, pagka-tap dito, piliin nyo yung number 1, which is yung 9 gigabytes na data for 3 days for only 50 pesos. So, type number 1 para ma-register natin guys yung new Saya All 50. And then send. And ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag doon nag-register tayo ng Saya All 50, makakakuha tayo ng total of 9 gigabytes na data. So, 3 gigabytes na data para sa TikTok, plus 3 gigabytes na data para sa Facebook, plus 3 gigabytes sa all sites, and only calls and text na yan guys, valid na yan for 3 days for only 50 pesos. So ito guys is naka-sale, kaya i-grab nyo na and i-try nyo na kasi mas makakamura tayo dito sa new Saya All 50. So para subscribe or ma-register, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng new Saya All 50 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.